Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we unveil the top picks for the best seat covers for Hyundai Tucson, ensuring unparalleled comfort and style for your beloved vehicle. Number 1. CHgeek has truly revolutionized my driving experience with their outstanding phone holder. This sleek marvel is a game changer, crafted specifically for in-car use. It cradles my phone securely, ensuring it stays in place even on the bumpiest rides. The design is not only functional but also incredibly stylish, adding a touch of sophistication to my car's interior. I love the 360-degree rotation feature, enabling me to view my phone from any angle effortlessly. Setting it up was a breeze, and the sturdy grip gives me peace of mind while driving. Say goodbye to distractions. CHgeek's phone holder is the ultimate driving companion, making navigation and calls hassle-free. Upgrade your driving experience now. Number 2. ESR does it again with their remarkable car phone holder, tailored perfectly for iPhones. This sleek marvel is not just a holder, it's a statement. Seamlessly integrating into your car's interior, it cradles your iPhone securely, ensuring a smooth, hands-free experience on the road. ESR's attention to detail shines through in the sturdy build and effortless installation. Its intuitive design guarantees your phone stays put, eliminating distractions while you drive. Plus, the holder's 360-degree rotation feature offers unparalleled convenience. Say goodbye to fumbling with your phone. ESR's car phone holder elevates your driving experience to a whole new level of sophistication and safety. Number 3. Joyroom delivers another game changer with their car phone holder, designed with iPhone users in mind. Say goodbye to the hassle of fumbling with your phone while driving. This sleek and sturdy holder keeps your iPhone secure, allowing for seamless navigation and hands-free calls. Its 360-degree rotation ensures the perfect viewing angle, and the ultra-strong suction cup sticks to any surface like glue. But what truly sets it apart is the effortless one-handed operation, making it a breeze to mount and dismount your device. With JOYROOM, your iPhone becomes an integral part of your car, providing convenience and safety on the road. Elevate your driving experience today. Number 4. VicSeat's car phone holder, a must-have for iPhone users. Automobile sparkles say goodbye to distractions and hello to seamless driving with VicSeat's car phone holder. Specifically designed for iPhone enthusiasts, this sleek and sturdy holder guarantees a secure grip for your device, ensuring hands-free convenience on the road. Its innovative design and easy installation make it a game changer for any driver. The 360-degree rotation feature allows you to find the perfect viewing angle, while its reliable stability keeps your phone in place, even on bumpy rides. Drive safely and in style. Choose VicSeat's car phone holder for the ultimate driving experience. Get yours today and elevate your journey. Number 5. UIBI car phone holder, where innovation meets elegance. This sleek marvel is not just a phone holder, it's a statement. Crafted with precision and designed specifically for iPhones, this holder cradles your device securely, ensuring a smooth ride every time. Its smart features make navigation a breeze, while its stylish design adds a touch of sophistication to your car interior. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to seamless driving experiences. With UIBI, your iPhone rides in style. Elevate your driving journey. Get yours today and let your iPhone travel in luxury. It's not just a car phone holder, it's a lifestyle upgrade. In conclusion, finding the best car phone holder for your iPhone can greatly enhance your driving experience. We've explored a range of options today, each catering to different needs. Whether it's stability, versatility, or convenience you seek, there's a perfect holder out there for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to safer and more enjoyable journeys ahead.